Discount Diva here, coming to you with another delightful Dollar Tree that I wanted to share. Today I popped up into one of the Dollar Trees that's near my house, and the first thing that caught my attention was they had a nice shelf with the hot items of the week, and I stopped right in front of it and I said, let me look through it, and it was a bunch of books, which I don't normally pay attention to these things because I'm usually running into the toys section, cosmetic section, or whatever it is that I have on my list to get. So to my surprise, I found two rather interesting books that I wanted to share with you. The first one is called Beating All Stars, and it's a nice size book. This is under crafts and hobbies, and on the back of the book it says it's retailing $27.97. And this book just looks really interesting because it shows you how to bead necklaces and earrings. This is a nice little crafty book where you can just sit down with your little ones, you know, when they get a little older, and you could do some arts and crafts with this book. And look how gorgeous you can come up with different ideas. And to me, this was a really interesting book. It says it's 20 jewelry projects from your favorite designers. So this is nice. Look at these gorgeous earrings. So this was a nice interesting pickup for me, because this book being worth $27.95, I mean, this is a great deal. So I was very happy to pick this one up. And then I picked up this one called Country Living Smart Storage Solutions. And what caught my eye was, I was flipping through the pages, and it says to be, you know, to use the small spaces, but there was something that was interesting. Oh gosh, where is it? Where they cut up a book and they put a remote control inside. Where's that page? So that made me want to just get the book, just, you know, because it was interesting. Oh, this one. Homework. Carve out a covert remote control holder inside a book. So you would take an old book and you would carve it out and you would store your remote control in there. So this kind of teaches you neat ways to store things, storage solutions. And this book is also worth $24.95, and this is under house and home decoration. So this is a nice little thing. They teach you to use what you have as storage solutions. So that to me was another interesting book, right? Who knew? $1. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but lately just flies entering my home like zzz. And it's like the most annoying little thing to hear that bzzz. So I'm walking down by the houseware and boop! I'm like, oh, my savior. A nice fly swatter, like boop! And the fact that it has a nice decor, like the, what would you call it? Like the zebra print, or they had them in orange, and then they had like a 2-pack, but this one to me just seems a little sturdier, like, and you should have seen me at the Dollar Tree. I'm sitting there like trying them out, like, okay, which, like, it's just a fly swatter, like, come on, Discount Diva. But I said, you know what, you could hang it up in your kitchen, and when there's a little pesky boop, you just kill it, and there you go, $1. You kill it with style. Literally. Kill it with style. Okay. Cracking myself up over here. And I did find something very new to me. These were on the side of the aisles when you like enter. I could not resist these little tattoos. These tattoos are a count of 38, and it says peace, love, and music. My little one is into music. My oldest actually is into music, and tattoos is their thing now. So to see tattoos with music notes and peace and love and butterflies and flowers, this is just right up her alley. So she's definitely gonna enjoy using this. And also I've been thinking, with all the things that I've been picking up at the Dollar Tree, with the lip glosses and the JoJo items, it's gonna be a nice little thing to make as goodie bags. So there's a thought. I also found glitter tattoos, and these I thought were so gorgeous because it's fairies and butterflies and hearts and dream catchers with glitter and hummingbirds. So this is a count of 24. And then I got another one for my smallest one because she loves her little puppies. And this I could not resist. It's called Furry Friends, and it's a count of 22. Look how adorable these things are. The puppies have sunglasses and a little bow. How cute. This can actually go with the JoJo theme. Huh. The Furry Friends, because I think she mentioned she has a furry friend of her own. So this is so cute with the bows. Oh, that gave me an idea. So pick these up, guys, for your little ones, or even for yourself. Wouldn't mind putting a little hummingbird by my hand somewhere. So that's adorable. Moving along with the whole JoJo fascination, and how Dollar Tree is really stepping it up with the JoJo stuff. I was able to find more of these play packs. So I went back and I found 3 more. So this is a play pack with 4 crayons, 24 pages, and the last one that I purchased, I made the mistake of leaving it in the car and the crayons melted. So I made sure that I was careful with these this time. And yeah, so these with the Furry Friends, and coming up, I was able to pick up more of the tote bags and just other little things that you could pick up at the Dollar Tree. You can make yourself a nice little goodie bag. So I picked two more. And actually, now that I'm having these thoughts about my oldest birthday coming up, I may just make it a JoJo theme party, being that I'm able to pick these little things up from the Dollar Tree, and it's just kind of coming along. So moving on, I picked up Put Your Hair in the Air pencil pouch by Trolls. So I thought that was neat. She still likes her little trolls, so I couldn't resist this pencil pouch. This was closed, but my hubby got into it. He says they're delicious, so it's been reviewed. It's a go. So these are delicious. These are the potato skin cheddar and bacon 3-pack from TGI Fridays. And yeah, I picked one up. 3 for $1. You can't go wrong. I'm noticing that they have a lot of these packages. I think it's because of the whole school supplies and the college students. So I've noticed they have a lot more of these packages available this time around. And I did start to see they brought out the Halloween stuff and the Thanksgiving stuff. I'm like, wow, they're really just speeding up the stuff. But hey, they gotta make their money, right? I picked up this 25.4 ounce, which I had not seen, of applesauce, and it's by Pampa. And it's made with real apples, and the sugar count is very low. It's only 18 grams. And it's apple sugar, citric acid, and it says it's a product of Poland. So I figured, you know what? Sometimes the girls just, they don't know what they want. Sometimes it's yogurt, sometimes it's fruit. I figure right after they have their lunch or dinner, a little nice little healthy snack, some applesauce. I'm gonna pop this right into the refrigerator and try it out. And I noticed by the deodorant section, they didn't have the one that I usually get. So I picked the Lady Speed Stick, and this is the No White Marks 48 Hours Invisible Dry with the scent of Powder Fresh. So I picked this one up. I want to try it out. Yeah, and it's a 1.4 ounce. And in my last haul, I did not include the dark shorter nails of the Kiss, the dark color. So this one was kind of like an odd item, so just including it. And then I couldn't resist these two little cups. Happiness in a cup. Again, I love the color red, so I picked this one, and rise and grind. So these are BPA free tumblers, 16 ounces. And yeah, these are very inspirational, motivational. You grab a cup of coffee, and this is rise and grind. And maybe if you want to go out one time and put a little wine or something in here, you got a happiness in a cup. Best of both worlds. And thanks for watching my channel. I hope I'm able to bring you guys more new items. I'm really hitting up different ones, like, oh, boop, I found that new item, like the tattoos and the books. That was a nice find. But I am gonna keep searching different ones, only because I think I want to get the ball rolling with my little one's birthday party. So I'm gonna be actually grabbing more of the JoJo bags if I do find them, and more of these play packs, because these are adorable. This little girl, she's doing her thing. I'm telling you, that concert, she had about 6,000 people, and in the heat, it was bad, but she did her thing. She did her concert. She had unicorns dancing. It was amazing, you know. But and I'm happy to see that Dollar Tree is bringing things that, you know, they're much more expensive in other places, and you can grab them there. But you have to grab them fast, because even these bags, they go fast, because it's surprising to see that they would have JoJo this quickly, because I feel sometimes Dollar Tree does bring items eventually, like after like the things are in, I guess. But she's quickly right in there. So shout out to the Dollar Tree for doing its thing. And you know, it's my favorite store. Love going to the Dollar Tree. I literally just walk down the aisles and I'm like, oh, that's new. I haven't seen that one. So I truly enjoy making these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Please give me feedback, comments. Let me know what you think. Like my video, press the bell so that you can get notifications that I'm giving you new videos, because I'm trying my best to just get them out there every day for you guys. And I hope to gain more subscribers. I have come a long way from the time that I've started with my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and for watching my videos, and I'm so glad to have you visit my channel. Discount Diva here. Have a great day.